Hello, I am Angelica Miguel and this is my video report for Activity 1, Game Engines and Component-Based Design. First is the game engines. Game engines are tools that helps game makers create video game easier. They come with features for making graphics, handling movement, processing sounds, and writing code. So, game engines are software frameworks designed to help developers build video games and more efficiently. They provide tools and features for various aspects of game development, including rendering graphics, physics simulation, audio processing, scripting, and more. Some popular game engines include Unity, Unreal Engine, CryEngine, and the Godot. So, here are some examples. Unity Engine is a widely used game engine known for its versatility and ease of use. It provides a wide range of tools and features for creating 2D and 3D game across various platforms, including PC, consoles, mobile devices, and the web. Then the Unreal Engine is another popular game engine, particularly renowned for its high-fidelity graphics and robust toolset. It's used in the development of many AAA titles and offers features like advanced rendering, visual scripting, and intensive asset libraries. And the last is Godot Engine is an open source game engine known for its lightweight nature and flexibility. It's suitable for both 2D and 3D game development and offers a node-based system, built-in scripting with the GD script, and the thriving community contributing to its development. And the next is the component-based design. Component-based design is a way of organizing code and games instead of big piece of code for each thing. Like a character, it's broken into smaller parts called components. Each part does a specific job like moving or looking. It's like building with Lego bricks, making it easier to create different things without starting from scratch each time. So, the example of this is the Unity engine. You could have a player entity composed of several components, a sprite renderer for the visual representation, a rigid body 2D for physics simulation, and the collider 2D for collision detection, a script component for controlling player behavior, and perhaps an animator for managing animations. So, similarly, you could have an enemy entity. It's with its own set of components such as a sprite renderer, rigid body 2D, collider 2D, and a different script component for enemy AI behavior. So, this is my report for activity number 1. Thank you.